Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed down $6.03, almost 1% down at $649.26. Post-market, we seem to be down by 46 cents still. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Yesterday, we closed right smack basically on 657. 657 as a support, and now 657 is becoming a resistance because we are closing down underneath it. And we seem to have been touching, look at this, we almost perfectly touched the support that we have here. Support that we have had for a little while since May 19th. So we seem to have been touching that support. So maybe the stock is going to bounce on it and continue its way upward. This is what we are going to see tomorrow and next week. Let's look at the hour chart. So basically today we opened above 654. So 654 had been our intraday support during the day. So we closed yesterday just right here with this green candle, and today it was supposed to be great today. Look at this. It was supposed to be great. We opened up right here at 656, then went all the way to this support. So look at this resistance. So we went all the way down, and it seemed like the stock was satisfied with touching that resistance and saying, nope, I'm not ready to continue there, and went down since then. So from the second hour, boom, went straight down, went a little bit sideways, and then retested this other resistance, retested that, and then keep heading down. So I would not be surprised if Tesla would go back down to 645. So this would not be a dramatic turn of event. Looking at the MACD that has been crossed over negative, and more so about the stochastic. So because of this stochastic, I would not be surprised if we would not go back down to 645. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. Stochastic is pretty low, so at 36. Not much power in the stock, so we might be crossing support and heading down to 624. That's not out of the realm of possibilities. It's hard to say. The earnings are coming on Monday, so a lot of things can happen. Stochastic is still trending down, but the two lines are still positive. And the DMI just crossed negative. So I have to do what I have to do. DMI has been going back and forth, positive, negative, during the past few days because of what I explained in my previous videos. Looking at the daily chart to conclude, we seem to have been touching this support, and the indicators are saying that the stock is going down. So as I said, indicators are not as important as what is happening with the trend lines. Let's look at what is going to happen tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. I have a Patreon account, Discord server, TradingView affiliate link. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you, à la prochaine.